Ready to send your old laptop or PC into the tech afterlife, but worried about your digital ghost leaving a trail? In this video, we're tackling the crucial process of completely wiping your laptop or PC, safeguarding your precious data, and ensuring your privacy is airtight before you sell, donate, or simply retire your device. First, ask yourself, am I sure everything is backed up? Photos, documents, important passwords. Make sure you have your own copies on an external hard drive of cloud storage. Now, let's delve into the steps. Step 1. Choose your weapon. The method depends on your operating system. For Windows, we'll use the built-in Reset This PC function. Mac users will utilize Erase All Content and Settings. Step 2. Windows users, navigate to Settings, then Update and Security, and finally, Recovery. Here, locate Reset This PC. Click Get Started. Mac users, go to System Preferences, then Erase All Content and Settings. Step 3. You'll be presented with options on Windows. Choose to remove everything, all your files and settings. On Mac, you will see a similar selection, making sure everything goes. Step 4. Get ready to be thorough before starting the wipe. Most systems will ask if you want to clean the drive. Choose to clean the drive. This overwrites the data, making it nearly impossible to recover. Think of it as digital erasure. Step 5. The final confirmation. Your device will prompt you to confirm the data wipe. Carefully read the warnings. Accepting this means there is no going back once you confirm. The wiping process begins. This can take a while. Step 6. Patience is key. Allow the process to complete fully. Don't interrupt it. Once finished, your laptop or PC will restart, appearing as if it's brand new. You won't even need your old passwords. And there you have it. Your device is now squeaky clean, ready for its next adventure, with your privacy intact. Remember to always wipe your data when disposing of your old tech. Data wipe #privacy protection.